Welcome to Insta Legal. The topic for today's discussion is procedure of court marriage and marriage registration. There is a confusion which everyone gets that the court marriage and the marriage registration is exactly the same thing. However, there is a difference and we are going to discuss today as to what is the difference between a court marriage and a marriage registration and what is the procedure. Now, what is a court marriage? A court marriage means a marriage wherein the parties of any caste or religion get married without performing any religious or other ceremonies required under their respective religion, and they choose to get themselves tied in this relationship before an officer who is called as a marriage officer. Now, this court marriage can be performed only under Special Marriage Act in India, as this act is a secular act and all the conditions set out in the Special Marriage Act are required to be satisfied for such marriage to take place. A court marriage thus is only a marriage which can take place before a marriage officer and not before any court. The court is basically in this case is the marriage officer and not the regular district courts or the regular high courts. The common perception is that once you get married by running away, you will get a court marriage done where the parties will approach a lawyer and they will file a protection petition wherein the court will recognize that you have married each other. However, this is not a court marriage. A court marriage requires the marriage officer to register your marriage in a particular register which is maintained. Now let us see photographs which have been taken during the marriage, etc. So therefore, a marriage registration is only a marriage registration takes place only after the parties have already got married according to the rites and ceremonies which are required to take place under the Hindu Marriage Act. Whereas for a court marriage, there is no requirement of any rites or ceremonies to take place, and any caste, any religion of two different gender persons can get married under the court marriage that is performed under Special Marriage Act. Now, what is the procedure for court marriage? The procedure is like this, that both the parties they sign and they make an application in writing as per format prescribed before the marriage registrar of the place where either party has resided for a period not less than 30 days. Now this basically is considered to be a notice of intended marriage which is being given to the marriage registrar of the particular area where the person has either of the party has resided for more than 30 days. This is provided under Section 5 of the Special Marriage Act. Thereafter, once the intended notice has been given, the notice will be published by the marriage officer in his office at some conspicuous place which is visible to everyone. And when such notice is being published, the intention is to invite objections from the public at large with regard to the marriage which is to be performed between these two individuals. Now the most important thing to be noticed here is that these objections are why these objections are required is because sometimes false declarations, false affidavits are submitted before the court marriage officer wherein they say that we have not been married earlier or they are of the marriageable age. Therefore, these notices are required to be published whereby objections can be raised by any person, but that objections must be raised within a period of 30 days. After this, step 4 is that both the parties will affix their signature on the declaration form. There's a particular format which is given under the Special Marriage Act and it is also provided by a particular state or the particular office of the marriage officer. The parties will sign on the declaration form for court marriage in presence of the marriage officer at his office or any place where the marriage officer feels convenient or the parties feel convenient after they are making an application to the marriage officer to conduct the marriage at a particular place. For this, there are 3 witnesses who are required to sign before the marriage officer. So these 3 witnesses are required to be present in person with their respective Aadhaar cards or any identity proof which show that they are the same persons who are going to sign on the marriage officer's register. Once all of this is done, the marriage officer will issue a certificate which is called as a marriage certificate after they have entered all the details of the marriage in accordance with the Schedule 4 of the act, that is the Special Marriage Act. So this was the entire procedure of the court marriage, which is totally different from the marriage registration, and these are not interchangeable terms. Marriage registration takes place after the parties have already tied their knot as per the ceremonies which are required to be performed. For a court marriage, there is no ceremony, absolutely no ceremonies which are required. Thank you very much.